Okay, so let's say you have your buckle and your jewelry pieces picked out. The next thing you want to do is buy your glue. And what I like to use is a wonderful goop. You can also get E6000, that's a really good one. But you do want something it's got to be industrial strength, because the belt's going to have a lot of wear and tear on it, and you don't want your piece to fall off. So this is a really great one to use. And if you are going to be using rhinestones or crystals or embellishments of any sort, I like to work with a pair of tweezers. You can also sometimes toothpicks, if you really have, a hard time grabbing a hold of things. For instance, these are some of the crystals, and they're fairly easy to pick up with the tweezers. But if you're having a hard time, you can always dab a toothpick and a bit of glue and sort of put it on the back, and you can pick it up with the toothpick. I think this is a little bit better though, so I'm going to go with this. But we're not doing that today, so just as a reference, if you do want to do that, that's what you would do. But it's pretty simple. I mean, you really don't need a whole lot to get going on it, so that's it.